Hey guys, and welcome back to another unboxing review. Today we're going to be doing our Class 60 diesel.
Yeah, this is the Lima Class 60 and we will be unboxing this for you today. I'm at the railway and it's freezing cold, so...
Yes guys, that snow on the track is real.
No, it's not.
Oh, it bloody well feels it anyway. So
it's
if
not,
you do
obviously.
hear us slowly chattering in the background, that's why.
Right, we're going to get into the box.
Go ahead.
Right, so, as you can see, this loco costs about £45. I think I got it for 40 actually. I think he let me have it for 40. The guy who bought it off. We've had it probably, I think it's, we've had it, I think I got it in March this year, but I can't remember. So, here it is then in all its glory. Bofell, the Class 60. I think this was one of only two Class 60 locomotives with the Vulcan diesel engines in, I believe. But if I'm not right on that, then it's because I'm not that much of an expert on Class 60s, because I'm not a diesel kind of person, obviously. Do I look like I care about diesels? Where's the snowplow gone? There is a snowplow for this diesel and I don't know where it's gone. It's supposed to be on the back there. No, because it's got one on the front. That's the drive side. So that's the driven wheels there. Right, we'll get it onto the track and we will go through some detail, which is not that much of it because it's an old model, but we'll go through it anyway.
Right guys, so here you can see the front of the Class 60. It's looking decent, yeah, it's got some decent detail, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
it's not
we
flat.
have it's very well painted detail now. For a model by Lima, it's especially an old model. Lima still make models now, but they're an Italian company, weirdly. Don't know why they're building British steamworkers. Anyway, they're an Italian company who do some, I think, to Hornby and Batman, people like that. And they thought, you know what, we'll do some logos. So, the only other Lima item I have, I believe, is that little parcel wagon over there, the blue one. That is the only other Lima item in the collection, as well as diesel. But I will be getting more, I believe. I think a Class 37 is on the card, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to get a Lima one or an early Hornby or Batman one. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, the detail is very well painted on. You can see Transrail is put on very clearly there, and the name you can see clearly, no marks or whatever on that. For 45 quid, I think this is a good loco, especially because it works perfectly, as we'll see in a minute. Detail like the handrails, they aren't separately fitted, which is like, who cares, because it's cool. The lights at the end and the front don't work, they're not real lights, but they are certainly painted on very well. There's no sprung buffers on the loco, and the separately fitted snow ploughs are pretty cool though. And you do get spurs, but you only get spurs for if you take the couplings off. So if you have one coupling at the front and you don't want that one with the gap in, you can stick that in instead. Which is perfectly fine by me, but I need the couplings on in case I do double headers with the 47 or any other diesels like that. So, let's give a little run to the loco. Bear in mind, it's a very, very cold track. And it's cold. I mean, that's not bad slow speed, is it?
I think we're better getting it running first, aren't we? Just to get the track warm. But yeah, obviously it's decent speeds overall.
You don't see it's quickest, that's its quickest.
So obviously it's nothing surprising, but it's a diesel made for cargo. What more do you want?
You know this diesel's nickname is the Tug.
And it's old, so you can't really
old.
expect much speed off it. Yeah, can you? So yeah, but yeah, go on, George, do a slow speed test coming in along this straight here. So obviously your way of always testing a train is by seeing how slow it can go.
If it's got a good motor, it's got a very...
It sounds stupid, but if you can go really good slow speed with Well, that's funny. But yeah, obviously
That's as slow as I'm gonna get it when it's smooth.
that's decently. But obviously you can hear the grunting and grinding. You know what I mean? You can clearly tell it's not in peak optimum condition.
Like the words, Jack. Peak optimum conditions. Well,
Yes, thank you,
good.
thank you. But yeah, obviously, so it can travel decently slow. So obviously showing it's got
its
good
perfect
motor.
pace. It can just literally crawl at that all day with.
Look at that.
Thinking right. Going to let Jack decide. Do you want freight or passengers?
I'd say freight, just
Freight.
because
Right,
it would suit it.
because it's going to have to be a long freight train to satisfy this blooming loco.
Jump cut, and we're trained up. Right, so guys, we've got a nice freight train running straight down the back there, and it's pretty long, so you can sort of test its strength. And trust me, it's pretty strong. So
It is.
go on.
Well, this is just a heritage line style freight.
Yep.
We've got like a lot of other freight that can go on, but we're not running that because who cares? We're going to just see how nice this looks going at a nice slow speed. That's probably about right. Right. Oh, sugar. Do you want to get some shots?
There we go. Right, and I'll start getting some pretty cool shots.
You'll get me putting the prospect in. He slows down quite a lot there. But it's points, I think.
Maybe it's not.
He doesn't like points before.
Right, guys. I hope you did enjoy.
It wasn't the longest review ever.
No, but then again, I don't think the other one's that long. So yeah, obviously these videos are supposed to be. These videos are supposed to be quite short, snappy. So I've just unboxed this train and see how it runs. And obviously, as you've seen by all the Panavision shops I've been getting, it's run pretty well. You know what I mean? And
He's never put a foot wrong in the class.
well, yeah, do you want to just give a bit of a rating? Would it be good value for money to buy?
If you can get one second hand for £45.
Yeah,
That's
so
a bargain. It's
that's
probably
it.
still worth. It's probably worth double that.
That's it. So if you
As it
see
is, in its
one of
condition.
these, maybe at some
And there's a class
market or something like that, some vehicle day, I don't know, you see one of these and it's going for decently cheap, around the £40
And I
mark.
think if you see it for
100%.
£60, you should get it.
Yeah,
If you see it at £60 or less, get
Yeah.
it.
because
Fantastic.
yeah, it is an amazing
It can
train.
pull everything. It
Yeah.
looks good with a lot of things.
Yeah.
and
It's the paint, the bodywork on it is absolutely incredible. Do you know what I mean? No, and obviously, yeah, it looks amazing with all of its
Right.
other trains,
we will
coaches, whatever.
be reviewing the rest of the locos which haven't got boxes.
Yes. Obviously, yeah. We've tried to unbox these, but obviously the rest of them we don't have boxes for, so it's just going to be a review.
We're going to review the rest, including the Class 47, which is on the layout.
Yes.
And we do have 2 new locos coming
This Christmas.
Yep.
Which will be
25 days
but will
from-
practically be like official unboxings. They will be
Yeah, they will.
coming quite literally
Well, I've
straight
had them
up.
out and ran them in and shoved them back.
Just to
in the
check that
box.
they were 100% working and
That was
whatever.
it.
So yeah, they're not. They will
So
be
technically,
pretty
it's a full proper unboxing. We've
Yes.
never, ever, ever.
And we'll be coming your Christmas and Boxing Day this
Yes,
2019.
I'll be doing them on the same day, but I'll stick the one after on the next
Yes,
one,
exactly,
'cause I
yeah.
want to stick them together.
Yes. So
Which is the Lord Nelson class and the Duke of Gloucester.
yes. So yeah.
Big logos as well.
Yeah. Hang around for that.
It's not the official Lord Nelson, it's
Yeah.
the Lord Nelson
Class.
logo.
Yes. Yeah. Right, guys.
Do I look like I can afford
Lord Nelson. Yes. No. The answer is no. He
The
can't.
Lord Nelson, I can't.
You know, he can't. He really,
So it's,
really
Martin
can't.
Fro brochure, I think, isn't it?
Something like that. Yeah. But anyway, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like. Really enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Make sure you hang around for the rest of them. And we'll catch you all in another one. Goodbye.